Hello everyone, so I'm currently back at the Congleton Road project where we're converting this building, which was a family home. It was 2 bedrooms on the ground floor, 2 bedrooms on the first floor, and this loft room in the loft. But this couldn't be classed as a bedroom because it's got no sign off from any building regulations. We're going through the process of doing the full renovation. We've got the building control involved. They've come and checked the insulation through there. They've also checked the insulation there. They've also checked the insulation behind here. And they've also had a structural engineer check the floor structure. 2 things left to check is this bit of it, that way there. Top of the staircase is a trimmer. Check, make sure that's thick enough, and also a trimmer going that way. We'll get them checked, and then this will be a legal bedroom. So it's legal to say it's a 3rd bedroom, but what we're doing in this property is converting from a 2 and a loft room to a 4-bed family home to increase the value. I'll turn around now, let's walk down, show you exactly what I've done and where we're currently at. So this is the loft room. As I said, we've opened up holes to check the current insulation. You're all happy with that. As you can see, in between the rafters, there's a 50mm air gap. They fitted a 75mm foil back insulation, and then boarded over. He's happy with that. One thing to check, if you ever do this, is the height from the step up to where you might bang your head. Needs to be 2 meters. This was 1.7. What we did is raise, as you can see, it was literally here. Took that out and raise this up. We need to do a little bit more, so what we're going to do is take all of this out. It's going to go up here, it's going to go straight along the top and then tie into this. So that will give us a 2 meter headroom for the BCO, that's the building control officer, to sign this off. We've put this fire door in here, it will be fire frame. Sorry, normal frame, not fire frame. Thinking of HMO, still in a single let. So fit the door frame here. There'll be a separating door up to the loft, because originally the door was there. So there was a door there that come along and you walked up the staircase, and that was the bedroom door. But what we've done, put a new doorway in here. We took all this wall out because it was all wonky and twisted. We've realigned all this nice and straight, put a new doorway right in here because we've separated this room off. We've got fireboard. We've dropped all the ceilings. As you can see, it's Artex. We have had an asbestos test. Don't forget, every time you do a renovation, get an asbestos test to make sure yourself and your builders are safe. There isn't no asbestos in this upper floors. There is downstairs, but it's just in the paint on the floor, like a black, looks like a black bitumen, but it's asbestos. So drop these ceilings, it got a nice smooth finish. This is going to be the part of the extractor for the ducting into the bathroom. We've put mineral wool in between. We didn't have to, but we have done anyway. So bedroom 1 in the loft, bedroom 2 here. Let's walk along. Bathroom. I'll show you more in depth. What I'll do, I'll put a video up at the top right now, show you what I'm looking to do with this property here. I've already done a pre-drawing with floor planner. I'll put a link to that in the below description as well, to show you what I'm expecting. But from this, the bath will sit just behind there. It goes level with that wall. It'll come out here. We'll build a retaining wall here, put a small shower screen. That'll be a 1500 bath. That'll sit level. That's the edge of the chimney breast, all in there. We've knocked through here. It doesn't look a lot because it's not a lot, but we've put a concrete lintel in. And what we'll have is a toilet and a sink. Like I say, I'll show you exactly my vision for this bathroom. Let's see if the vision is anywhere near what we're expecting now. So let's move on. So you've seen bedroom 1 the loft, bedroom 2 behind me, bedroom 3 here. Nice side bedroom, and this is where we've stepped that wall out. So we knocked through a section there for the toilet and sink. We knocked through a section there for the bath, and then we're going to put this stud wall in, so we've got a nice straight wall. Nice side bedroom, nice size a double. Outside, the weeds are all overrun again. This is an after effect that all this rain and wind we've had, we need to sort the roof out. We've got to take all the tiles off. We've got to replace it with breathable membrane, new laths, check all the tiles, and possibly just change 10% of the existing tiles. So that's an extra that wasn't expected, but this is property investing, so you have to always allow and have a contingency in this. So bedroom, so you can see the stud wall here for some reason. So let me just show you. We put a steel in right above me there. It's been signed off already by the BCO. We got the calculations from a structural engineer, but there was a box from there, a small box. But this was the original bathroom. But you'll see, there's that steel. There was a wall all the way across level there. And there was a little airing cupboard, what we call in the UK an airing cupboard, with the what we call a header tank in the tank system. That's for the heating and hot water. It was in a little cupboard there. So we knocked that out, knocked all this wall down, as I said, fitted the steel all the way in there, and then pushed this wall back. This is what you always have in a UK house, a small kids box room. It's more than big enough. It's bigger than the regs, say, as you can see, perfect. So we've got the bedroom in now, the bedroom through there, the bedroom in there, and the bedroom, that's 4. Take it downstairs now, see where we're up to. Currently working from downstairs up. So there's the front door. So there's the front door. I'll take you straight through to the back first of all. Just through here. So ripped all this out. We've studied this off because the wall was not the best. Studied off, plasterboarded. So as you can see, it's all been now boarded. It's all been now skimmed. What you'll find though, this property was brought at auction or pre-auction. This outer wall is only a single skin. So what we've done, we've studied the wall off, fitted insulation in the stud, which is solid insulation, not in a roll, and then we've overboarded this. So we've created a cavity and more insulation to stop the heat loss getting out the building. So all skimmed. Really nice. Our vision for this, we've also self-leveled the floor. Those old tiles, let me show you. So you'll see a couple of them here. There. So from here now, we're going to have a tall cupboard there for the boiler housing. The kitchen's going to go across there, along here and down. The oven hob extractor is going to be there. Going to come along. There'll be a space on the end here, a 70 centimetre gap, because the fridge freezer will be 60. Enough gap for the skating, enough at the side of the worktop. I'll put a video in the link to the video as well. I'll put the floor plans here as well if you want to look. I'll put them on now, which will be oven hob on the right, sink, just like that. This is the centre lounge, all boarded, all skimmed, exactly like the one upstairs. We dropped the ceiling, boarded and skimmed, so that'll be the finish we'll have in the bedroom as well. It's all starting to dry out. And there's sort of Danny in the corner. All the hallways boarded into the front living room. Exactly the same again, we dropped the ceiling, boarded and skimmed, as you can see, they're still skimming now. This is a weekend, by the way. So perfect.